Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I will show you how to solve problem of lowest common multiple of 3 numbers. Solution: 3 methods. We look for the factors of 6. 6, we have 2 and 3. 8, we have 2 and 4. 4 is not a prime number. We have to look for the next prime number, which is 2 and 2. Then we go to 9. 9, we have 3 and 3. To have the LCM is equal to, where do we have the highest numbers of 2? We have it here. We have to take all of them, which is 2 times 2 times 2. And where do we have the highest numbers of 3? We have it here. We have to take all of them times 3 times 3. When you multiply these, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24, 24 times 3, 72.